Here's a quick look at the molding processes we used on our 1/24th scale V2 kit. We'll start with the injection molding process, and here we can see the mold tool being installed into an injection molding press. The two halves of this tool are installed on opposite sides of the machine. One side is fixed, while the other side moves back and forth with the plastic injection machinery. To mold a part, the two mold halves are pressed shut, and a screw advances to force molten plastic into the mold cavities. This molten plastic migrates through the mold tool, and then it's allowed to cool for a few seconds. The two halves of the tool are then opened, ejector pins pop the part from the moving side, and the process starts all over again. The blow molding process used for the V2 airframe is no different than that used to make large, lightweight items like drink bottles and other consumer packaging. A tube of molten plastic is extruded through a die, then clamped between the two sides of a mold. The mold is then closed, and hot air pressurizes the interior of the molten plastic tube. The tube then expands to fill the mold cavity, picking up detail that we've machined into the mold wall surface. This hybrid process combining these two different molding approaches is the key to our V2 model. It allows us to combine museum-grade detail, large size, and low cost into an easy-to-build kit.